Welcome to Tech and Gadget Explorer. In today's fast-paced world, a reliable Wi-Fi router is essential for seamless connectivity. Join us as we unveil the 7 best Wi-Fi routers that will revolutionize your online experience. From blazing speeds to wide coverage, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the world of top-notch Wi-Fi technology. Step into the future of wireless networking with the TP-Link AXE5400 tri-band Wi-Fi 6E router, a game-changer in home connectivity. Surfing at mind-boggling speeds up to 5,400 Mbps, twice as fast as standard Wi-Fi 6 routers. The secret is its pioneers, the all-new 6 GHz band, unlocking unparalleled performance. Tri-band technology takes it a step further, ensuring your astounding 8K streaming, gaming marathons, and work tasks run seamlessly in harmony. TP-Link Home Shield protects your home network with advanced security, offering free tools like scanning for network issues, basic parental controls, prioritizing important tasks, and giving irregular reports. This router works with all major internet providers like Comcast, AT&T, and more. It also supports VPNs like OpenVPN and others. Plus, it's an Amazon favorite in 2023. Unleash gaming power like never before with the ASUS ROG Rapture GT AXE16000, the world's first quad-band Wi-Fi 6E gaming router, boosting blistering speeds of up to 16,000 Mbps. Its triple-level game acceleration ensures unparalleled performance, while the dedicated 2.5G WAN port gives you gaming top priority and expands seamlessly with AIMIsh technology for a flawless mesh network. With its powerful 2.0 GHz quad-core CPU and Wi-Fi chipset, it handles intense gaming networks effortlessly, boosting responsiveness by up to 18%. And for unbeatable coverage, ASUS Range Boost Plus improves Wi-Fi performance by up to 38%, extending your signal's reach. Plus, its infinity mirror and Aura RGB lighting make a stylish statement. Beat farewell to buffering and dead zones with the Motorola Q11 Wi-Fi 6 mesh router, your gateway to seamless connectivity. Experience a blazing fast AX 3000 gigabit speed, perfect for gaming, streaming, and video chats across 100+ devices. Enjoy Wi-Fi coverage across 500 square feet with expandable mesh technology. With the MotoSync app, setup and control are a breeze. Invest in the future with the Motorola Q11, your passport to uninterrupted Wi-Fi bliss. Discover the perfect blend of reliability and affordability with the NETGEAR 4-stream Wi-Fi 6 router, your family's ultimate connection and protection partner. It easily works with major ISPs and features 4x1G Ethernet ports. Set up effortlessly with the Nighthawk app, while NETGEAR Armor provides automatic security and smart parental controls ensure a safe online environment for your family. The Nighthawk app simplifies setup and management, including speed tests, remote access, and internet controls. Say hello to fast, affordable Wi-Fi with the Amazon eero 6 Plus. Get gigabit speeds without breaking the bank. The eero 6 Plus supports extra bandwidth on the 160 MHz radio channel for lightning-fast performance. And don't worry about dead zones. Patented True Mesh technology ensures seamless coverage everywhere. eero 6 Plus is your home smart hub, making everyday life easier. Use Alexa to control compatible devices and manage lights, locks, and more. Plus, with eero 6 Plus and Alexa, managing Wi-Fi access for family profiles is a breeze. Enjoy broad coverage up to 1,500 square feet. It's a primary router connecting to your modem. Get speedy Wi-Fi 6 dual-band connectivity with 2 auto-sensing gigabit Ethernet ports. Elevate your home network with eero 6 Plus. Just plug it in, follow the app's lead, and you are all set. STARLINK Standard Kit, which is a gateway to high-speed, low-latency satellite internet revolutionizing connectivity worldwide. The kit packs a Starlink dish, which gives you the link to space, a Starlink router for spreading the online magic, a power supply to fuel your connectivity, a mounting tripod that to ensure signal reception. Setting up is as easy as ABC. Plug in the dish, connect the router, and voila, you are online. It's a game changer for remote areas and disaster-prone regions, providing lifeline connectivities. Starlink's high-speed, low-latency service is powered by an impressive fleet of advanced satellites orbiting the Earth. Test any Starlink service for 30 days and return the hardware for a full refund if not satisfied. Finally, we have the bonus, the Google Nest Wi-Fi extender. Your escape from dead zones and bluffering. Boost coverage by 1600 square feet with effortless setup. Plug in near your router, follow setups in the Google Home app, and enjoy. Experience rapid dual-band Wi-Fi speeds, connect multiple devices seamlessly with MU-MIMO support, gauge signal strength using range indicators, and rest assured with built-in network security. Bonus: each Nest Wi-Fi point expands your network, which requires a separate router, eliminating buffering across 1600 square feet. Pair the Google Nest Wi-Fi extender with your existing router and step into a buffer-free vault. Thank you for exploring the 7 best Wi-Fi routers with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting tech insights. Stay connected and stay tuned for more innovative discoveries on Tech and Gadget Explorer.